Dressed Up Cuties Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen as a pumpkin to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this cute Pusheen, let's first start by drawing the little pumpkin hat. So I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft little dome shape right here. And then I'm going to round this corner off and connect it with a shallower curve. Then from there, I'm going to go up right in the center to draw the stem. So go up, little line, and then it's going to come down. So the bottom is a little bit wider. Then from there, we can go ahead and start the ears. So I'm going to come about right here and here, because the hat's right in the center. We're going to go up for Pusheen's hat, go up and about right here, round off the tip and down. So same thing here. Round off the tip and down. There. So now that we have that, and before I forget, I'm going to come up here and I need to draw a little swirl for our pumpkin to complete the look. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come back into this area right in the center. I'm going to still draw Pusheen stripes. We're just going to see a little bit of it. So right in the center, I'm just going to draw a little curve, one more and another one. So 3 of them right here, 3 little U's. And then I'm going to come down to the center, say about right here. And I'm going to draw a straight line down and then curve up on both sides for the mouth. There. Let's come back in here and just cap it off. And then I'm going to come to the side and draw a circle for the eyes. And I'm going to put a little highlight right here just to give Pusheen's eyes a little sparkle. And so same thing on the other side, about right here. And same thing, a little circle for highlight and shade it all in. There. Then from there, let's bring this down. We're going to still curve out for Pusheen's body. Let's go all the way to where the eyes are. And let's keep going down, just past the eye a little bit. So let's bring this down. Just say about right here. Just want to pass the eyes. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to connect it. Now that we're both the lines are both on the same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So we're going to start our pumpkin costume. Then from there, let's go pop this out. And we're going to continue going down. So I'm going to pop this out and continue going down. And before I finish that, before I forget, I'll fix curve here. I need to put in the whisker. So I'm going to come back to this area, cover where the eyes are, and I'm going to draw 2 curves coming out. So if I don't do that now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to forget. It's very important we get the whiskers in to complete Pusheen's look. There, see, much better, right? Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and continue our pumpkin. So we're just going to keep bringing it down, and it's all up to you how big you want Pusheen's body to be, but I'm not going to make mine too big. I want it nice and round. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm going to start to bring it in. So let's see, but before I do that, I'm just going to draw on this side first, because this side has a tail. So I'm going to go ahead and draw this side first. I'm going to bring this in to say about right here. So I know this is my bottom. I'm going to come back to the center, find my center. So let's say my center is about right here, and I'm going to end about right there. Just going to give myself a point, just remember. And then I'm going to come out a little bit and just draw this oval right next to my point for Pusheen's feet. So I'm just drawing these 2 ovals right next to my dot. Okay, so then from there I can go ahead and finish off my pumpkin body. Then I'm going to go ahead and come over on this side, and we need to pop in a tail. So I'm going to come in a little bit more, and about right here. I'm going to curve right next to my feet out, and then I'm just going to taper this tail into this area. There, and then whatever space you have left, just go ahead and connect it. Then for the tail, for some details, we need to put in some stripes. So I'm going to put one stripe, one more, and then a last one right there. There, so Pusheen is in her pumpkin costume now, but let's make it a pumpkin, right? And so to do that, let's put in a pumpkin face. So I'm going to come back to my center, let's say about right here, right in the center. Just give myself a point, and I'm going to draw this triangular shape for the nose. So I really hope this inspires you. You can draw whatever pumpkin face you want. But I'm just going to follow the original and just draw a triangle right here. Then I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here. Let's just have fun with this. And I'm going to draw two bigger triangles and shade it in. So it's a very generic pumpkin face. So let's come right next door, about right here. And once again, we're going to draw the same thing. Make sure I'm about the same level. And shade it all in. There. Then now for the mouth. So let's come right underneath this triangular nose and say right about here. I'm going to draw a curve, and then we're going to come down for some teeth. Same thing here, come down, and we're going to continue this curve going up and going up. There, so a little bit past the eyes, and then let's come back to the bottom, say about right here, and we're going to draw another little notch and connect everything. So everything is at a curve. So if you don't feel comfortable putting in these little notches for the teeth, when you're using a pencil, just draw a big curve and another big curve, and then just put in the notches and then erase. There, and then I'm going to go in here really quickly, shade this all in so you can see a little bit better. Throughout the years, I've drawn so many Pusheens. There was one year where I thought I was just going to draw one a month and that would be it. But thanks to all your requests for me to keep drawing Pusheen and your love for them, I can't believe I've kept drawing. And there's so many different ways to draw Pusheen, and it's so fun. And hopefully you will continue to love them. Okay, so now we finally have our pumpkin head in, and that is pretty much it. Put this curve down actually. Looks a little bit better down, so I'll come in here and erase that really quickly. But that is pretty much it. So when you're coloring, just get like a dark orange, and you're just going to put in some curves right here to give your pumpkin some definition. But that is pretty much it. And I'm just going to put a little heart, let's say right here, so I don't get in the way of my line, to make this my Draw So Cute Pusheen pumpkin to celebrate Halloween. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.